6 kitchen areas you're probably not cleaning, but should be. Your kitchen looks spotless. Counters are wiped, dishes are done. But hidden germs and grime are building up in places you'd never think to check. These forgotten spots could be making your kitchen dirtier than you realize. I'm Sarah, and you're watching Senior Life Part. We're going to reveal the 6 kitchen areas that almost everyone misses during cleaning. Trust me, once you know about these, you'll never look at your kitchen the same way. Before we get into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us keep bringing you helpful content like this. And if you find this useful, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment telling us which spot surprised you most.
The garbage disposal, a hidden mess. Let's start with something that handles all your kitchen waste, the garbage disposal. You wash everything down there, right? Food scraps, leftovers, all kinds of stuff. But where does it all go? The problem. According to Michael Torres, a home maintenance specialist, all that nasty material you rinse down the drain might disappear from view, but it doesn't just vanish. It's going to build up over time and create an unpleasant smell in your kitchen, he explains. And honestly, most of us never think about cleaning it because we assume water takes care of everything. The solution. Here's a simple trick that works wonders. Fill your garbage disposal completely with ice cubes. Pack it full, then turn on cold water and run the disposal until every piece of ice is crushed up. Torres warns that your disposal will push up a disgusting mixture of sludge. It's gross, but that's exactly what you want because it means it's working. This ice method scrubs the blades and walls of your disposal, loosening all that stuck-on gunk. The cold water helps solidify any grease, making it easier to break apart and wash away. Do this every couple of weeks, and your disposal will stay fresh and work better. If you're already learning something new, make sure to share this with your friends and family. They're probably missing these spots too.
Refrigerator coils, the energy wasters. Most people don't even know these exist. Behind or underneath your refrigerator, there are special coils called condenser coils. These are super important for keeping your food cold. Why this matters? Jessica Park, a cleaning professional and owner of Fresh Start Cleaning Services, points out that this is one of the most overlooked areas in the entire home. When your refrigerator coils get covered in dust and dirt, it forces the appliance to work much harder, reducing efficiency and increasing your electric bill, she says. Think about it. Your fridge runs all day, every day. If those coils are caked with dust, pet hair, and grime, your fridge has to use way more energy just to do its job. This means higher electricity costs for you and a shorter lifespan for your refrigerator. How to clean them? First, unplug your refrigerator for safety. Then pull it away from the wall or check underneath depending on where your model keeps its coils. You can use a vacuum with a brush attachment or a special coil cleaning brush to gently remove the buildup. Do this at least twice a year or more often if you have pets. Your wallet will thank you, and your fridge will run quieter and more efficiently. Inside your dishwasher, it needs cleaning too. This one surprises people every time. We put dirty dishes in the dishwasher, it cleans them, so the dishwasher must be cleaning itself too, right? Wrong. The reality is, many people think dishwashers clean themselves automatically, but over time, food bits, grease, and soap residue actually build up inside, says David Chen, a professional organizer and cleaning expert. And all this leftover stuff can create a bad smell and even make your dishwasher work less effectively over time. Look at the bottom of your dishwasher right now. See that filter? When was the last time you cleaned it? If you're like most people, maybe never. The cleaning process. Rachel Miller, home care specialist at Property Pros, suggests cleaning the filter somewhere between once a week and once a month, depending on how often you run your dishwasher. Remove the filter,
Check your manual if you're not sure how to. Rinse it under hot water and scrub away any gunk with an old toothbrush. For the entire dishwasher, Chen recommends running a cleaning cycle with white vinegar or a dishwasher cleaning tablet once a month. Just place a cup of vinegar on the top rack and run a hot cycle. This keeps everything fresh and prevents funky odors from building up. Don't forget to wipe down the rubber seal around the door, too. Food particles love to hide there. If you're enjoying these tips, hit that like button and let us know in the comments which area you're going to clean first. Cabinet tops, the forgotten surfaces. Out of sight, out of mind. That's definitely true for cabinet tops. Unless you're really tall or happen to look up, you probably never see the tops of your kitchen cabinets. What's happening up there? If your kitchen cabinets don't go all the way to the ceiling, the tops are probably covered in a thick layer of dust and grease, Park explains. This combination makes them both sticky and unsanitary. Cooking releases grease particles into the air, and they float up and settle on those cabinet tops, mixing with dust to create a gross, tacky film. The fakes? Grab a step stool and take a look. You might be shocked. A quick cleaning with a degreaser every few months will prevent them from becoming a sticky disaster. Use a degreaser spray or a mixture of dish soap and warm water. Spray it on, let it sit for a minute to break down the grease, then wipe it away with a microfiber cloth. Some people like to put wax paper or newspaper on top of their cabinets after cleaning. When it gets dirty, you just replace the paper instead of scrubbing again. Smart and simple.
Underneath your electric stovetop, surprise storage. Did you know most electric stovetops actually lift up? It's true, and underneath is a whole hidden area that collects grease and food. The discovery. If you've never lifted your stovetop, you're in for a surprise. Over time, this buildup can cause bad smells in your kitchen if you don't clean it, Chen points out. Spills and splatters drip down through the burners and accumulate underneath where you can't see them. Cleaning steps. Make sure the stove is completely cool and unplugged if possible, then carefully lift up the cooktop. It usually hinges up from the front. You'll probably find crumbs, dried spills, and grease underneath. Wipe away all the debris with a damp cloth and some all-purpose cleaner. For tough, baked-on spots, use a degreaser or make a paste with baking soda and water. Let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing. Get into the routine of lifting the stovetop and cleaning underneath about once a month. It only takes a few minutes, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your kitchen fresh and odor-free. The oven broiler drawer, the drip collector. That drawer at the bottom of your oven isn't just for storage. It's actually the broiler, and it catches all those drippings from your delicious meals. What's down there? All those juices that drip out when you're cooking. They end up here. Torres explains that most people never clean this area, and it can get seriously grimy. Burned-on grease, food particles, and all kinds of residue collect in this drawer over time. Important first step. Before you start cleaning, check your oven's instruction manual. Different models have different requirements, and you want to make sure you're cleaning safely. The cleaning method. If you're clear to proceed, here's what Torres recommends. Pull out the drawer completely. Spray the broiler pan and other dirty surfaces with oven cleaner. Here's the critical part. Do not spray cleaner directly on the heating elements. That can damage them. Let the cleaner sit for the amount of time the product instructions say. Put on latex or rubber gloves. Oven cleaner is strong stuff. Then wipe down all the sprayed surfaces with a damp sponge. Go over everything again with a clean, wet microfiber cloth to remove all the cleaner residue. For regular maintenance, try to clean this drawer every few months or more often if you do a lot of roasting and broiling. Why these spots matter? You might be wondering, does it really matter if I skip these areas? The short answer is yes. Here's why. Health and hygiene. Hidden dirt and grime can harbor bacteria. Your kitchen is where you prepare food for yourself and your family. Keeping these forgotten spots clean helps maintain a healthier environment overall. Cost savings.
Cleaning refrigerator coils and maintaining appliances helps them run more efficiently. This means lower energy bills and fewer repairs or replacements down the road. A well-maintained kitchen saves money. Better performance. When your dishwasher filter is clean and your garbage disposal isn't clogged with gunk, these appliances work the way they're supposed to. You'll get cleaner dishes and a better functioning kitchen. Odor control. Many mysterious kitchen smells come from these forgotten areas. Regular cleaning eliminates bad odors at their source instead of just covering them up with air fresheners. Creating your cleaning schedule. Let's make this manageable. You don't have to clean everything at once. Here's a simple schedule. Weekly tasks: clean garbage disposal with ice, check and rinse dishwasher filter. Monthly tasks: run dishwasher cleaning cycle with vinegar, lift and clean under electric stovetop, wipe down cabinet tops. Every few months, clean refrigerator coils, deep clean oven broiler drawer. Write these down or set reminders on your phone. Once you get into the habit, these tasks become quick and easy parts of your routine. Final thoughts. Your kitchen works hard for you every single day. These 6 forgotten spots might be out of sight, but they shouldn't be out of mind. Taking a few extra minutes to clean these areas will keep your kitchen healthier, fresher, and more efficient. Remember, I'm Sarah from Senior Life Part, and we're all about making home life easier and better. If this helped you, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video. Give us a thumbs up and share this with someone who needs to see it. Drop a comment below telling us which of these spots were you not cleaning, or do you have any other forgotten kitchen areas you think we should cover? We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep that kitchen sparkling.